Hey friends, I wanted to let you know that I am teaching in Workshop Week 2025, which is happening next week. If you don't know what Workshop Week is, it is basically a week-long art and creative online event that gathers together a whole bunch of artists and crafters and creatives, and we air free online classes that you can follow along with and participate in. And my lesson is airing on Thursday, June 5th at 12 p.m. Pacific Time, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Anyone worldwide can watch and create along with these lessons for free during Workshop Week, but you do have to be signed up. So click the link down below to sign up for Workshop Week, and you'll get the full schedule, all of the supply lists, everything that you need to know so that you can just hop on and watch and enjoy and create along with us. The lesson that I'm going to be teaching is how to paint this cute little hummingbird and zinnia flowers in acrylics. So I'll be walking you through how to sketch out the hummingbird, how to mix colors, how to layer them up to make this really pretty little painting. This is my second time teaching for Workshop Week, and it is so much fun. Everybody is so excited, so kind, so enthusiastic. And as my lesson video is airing, I will be in the chat answering your questions, chatting it up, having a good time. It is always so much fun. So I hope that you will join me. If a lesson is airing at a bad time for your time zone, or you're just busy when it's happening, you can go back and watch it within 24 hours of its airtime, which makes it really easy to participate in all of the classes that you want to. But you do have to be signed up, so make sure that you click the link below in the description to sign up for free and join us next week for Workshop Week. I can't wait to see you there.